Meaning of hoodlum.
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 Hoodlum. Hoodlum refers to a person who is typically involved in criminal activity or behaves in a violent and unruly manner. The term originated in the United States during the late 19th century and was often used to describe members of street gangs in urban areas. Today, it is still commonly used to refer to individuals who engage in criminal behavior, such as vandalism, theft, or assault. Hoodlums often operate outside of the law and can pose a danger to both themselves and those around them. They frequently have a negative impact on the communities in which they live.